Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Mueller's insect technology enters a new phase for contributing to a sustainable meat value chain.
Introducing the Kronos OML 1060, the start of a new series of fully automated packaging equipment.
For grain dryers consists of powerful and reliable models which ensure daily output varying from 85 to 155 t, multi-grain.
United States says Mexico's plan to ban GMO corn imports does not apply to animal consumption.
Tariff Commission in favor of reducing VAT to control the price of edible oil.
Mueller supplies technology for first ultra-low CO2 footprint coffee processing plant.
Economic achievement, Bangladesh is one of the top countries in the world in 13 sectors.
In a country once food deficient, there is now surplus food.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.